Question number 44. Assessment of gestational age at birth is done using option A. New Bellard score, option B. Apgar score, option C. Bakku score, and option D. Downey score. The answer is option A. New Bellard score. New Bellard score is used for assessing gestational age of newborn based on two criteria: physical score based on anatomical changes and neurological score based on muscle tone. These are the two criterion used to assess the gestational age in New Bellard score. And Apgar score is used to assess the health of newborn based on 5 criterion: appearance, pulse, grimace, activity and respiration. Bakku score is the screening system for the prediction of neonatal sepsis or infection, that is Bakku score. And Downey score is used for term infants, and Silverman-Anderson score, SAS score, is used for preterm infants to assess the severity of respiratory distress. Question number 45. The most sensitive basic screening technique used for early detection of breast cancer. Early detection of breast cancer. It is option A. Breast self-examination, option B. Thermography, option C. Chest X-ray, and option D. Mammography. The answer is option D. Mammography. Mammography is the X-ray imaging of breast. It helps to detect breast cancer up to 2 years before the tumor can be felt by you or your doctor. It is most sensitive. Thermography is the use of infrared rays for detection of tumors, but it is not that much sensitive as mammography. Question number 46. Carelessness or negligence by a professional person. Option A. Misuse, option B. Malpractice, option C. Assault, and option D. Battery. The answer is option B. Malpractice. These are types of torts. Torts are torts occurs when a person is injured because a healthcare practitioner doesn't meet the expected standards of care. The different types of torts are: first one, malpractice, negligence or bad practice or failure to give care that is expected, that is malpractice. Negligence and bad practice. For example of negligence is if you are missing one gauze while during surgery and we are not counting the number of gauze, that is an incident of negligence. Assault. Assault is the threat or attempt to injure. There is no injury occurred, but we are planning to threat or we are attempting to injure a person, that is assault. Third one is battery. Battery is the unlawful touching of another person without their consent, or there is injury happened already in battery, but in assault there is threat or attempt to injure. Battery is the unlawful touching of another person without their consent. Then invasion of privacy, unnecessary exposure of an individual or revealing their personal information to someone else. It is invasion of privacy. The next one is false imprisonment. It is the restraining an individual or restricting their freedom. That's why we need to get consent from doctor, or there should be a written order for restraining a patient. Otherwise, it will also come under a type of tort. Then abuse, any care that is resulting in physical harm, pain or mental anguish. These all are the types of torts. It is important to know the difference between assault and battery because there are more questions from this assault and battery. Question number 47. A sleep disorder where undesirable behavior occur during sleep. Options are option A, insomnia, option B, narcolepsy, option C, hypersomnia, and option D, parasomnia. Answer is option D, parasomnia. Narcolepsy is the excessive sleepiness or bouts of sleep during daytime. For example, if we are trying to concentrate in our classroom but immediately we are getting sleepy, that's an example of narcolepsy. And cataplexy, partial or total loss of muscle control, occurs during sleep or triggered by strong emotions such as laughter. And parasomnia is an undesirable behavior or a group of sleep disorders occur during sleep. It includes somnambulism, somniloquia, enuresis, encorpasis. In this, somnambulism is sleepwalking. Somniloquia is sleep talking. Enuresis is passing of urine during sleep. Encorpasis is unknowingly passing stools during sleeping. Insomnia is lack of sleep and hypersomnia is excessive sleeping.